zip lining was awesome. Heading down to Marble Mountain, just the most epic place. It's time to go zip lining. And I was not prepared for how amazing it was. I've got a bit of a fear of heights. I think everybody does a little bit. And just to run out on that platform, within 5 seconds, it's just the biggest rush, and you've got time to have a look at everything.
Oh, go quick! Whoa! I seem to be coming in pretty hot. You don't need coffee in the morning when you're doing this instead.
9 zip lines, huge height, 300 feet down. Some of them were like 1,800 feet long, super quick, 65 kilometers an hour.
That was fabulous, but I'm shaking.
Look at this!
Huh?
Getting the hang of this now. I say that, my heart rate's still about 380.
What are your top 3 safety tips? Trust yourself, trust your gear, and trust your guides. The next one's 2,000 feet. You'll be about 4 feet off the ground, so flap those wings.
Down I went. I was just getting to the bottom and everyone started yelling out something. I was like, what is that? There is no brake, there is no brake. Your life flashes before your eyes, and I was like, should have hit more in.
Look at his face!
Yeah, it turns out Canadians are pretty mean. How funny was that time that we made you think that you were gonna die?
Hit your brake!
After that, we did the Spider Challenge, which was a ropes course, but unlike any ropes course I've ever seen.
There's a fair bit of wind.
Going up like 20 feet, I think, then 40 feet, then 60 feet. I remember saying during the zip lining, there's 2 things you've got to do every day. Wake up and go zip lining, and still, I feel like that now. If you ever get the chance to go zip lining, whether it be in Canada like me or anywhere else, you've got to do it. It's a rush, it's safe, it's fun for everyone.
One of the big safety tips when ziplining, of course, is always trust your guides. Don't trust me!